You really got like the grown up version of like a bloody boppet over there.
Boys, you got to save this good stuff for the podcast. Don't lick the microphone. That'll be some ASMR. There's peanut butter on the microphone.
Actually, I'll just change the angle of that camera. Tell me if it actually changes the light.
I was going to say my jawline doesn't look that great right now.
No, it does not. No, and then you can just, if we had skirts on, you'd just see straight in them.
All right.
Good to go?
Good to go.
Oh, shit! Oh, bloody hell! Boys are having beers again. Outback sun is burning, dust is on the rise. Engines roar like thunder neath the crimson skies. We're kings of the plain.
Alrighty, g'day and welcome back to Straight Out of the Sticks podcast. I'm Brandon Winky. I'm here with my co-host.
Elliot, Brendan.
And our guest hosts today are...
Lucy Livingstone.
And...
Louisa Twos.
Insane of the mic. Just cop one to the face.
Anyone know a good dentist?
Almost knocked Louisa out.
Oh, God.
For reference, her name is Louisa Toos.
Louisa too.
She's missing a tooth now.
And so you guys had a bit of a drive today.
Yes.
Yeah, a bit.
So where'd you come from? You don't have to say specifically. We don't want people to follow
Newcastle. No, actually, just say my address.
you. Yeah.
No, Newcastle, Maitland. Shout out to Maitland.
Yeah, shout out Malin. Beautiful.
Yeah, long
And,
drive.
And Tooth, where are you from?
Tooth.
That's your nickname now.
I'm from the good country down Victoria.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck off. We have a Mexican. We have a Mexican on the podcast.
Mexican.
So obviously you must have driven today, Luce, because you're both here. You made it alive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oi.
I did actually let Louisa have a drive on the way down here.
That's risky. She's female and Victorian.
I know, very dangerous. I'm female, so like it's a 50-50 chance.
Yeah.
With the Victorian, there's like a 95%
I feel like as soon as
chance.
she sat in the driver's seat, the car would have exploded.
Oi. Nah, we beat the EDA by, 11 minutes?
Yeah.
We did well.
Yeah. Well, when she got in the
Let's put it
car,
over here.
it was 4:53, and when we got here, it was 4:48. Or no, 47.
You
Or
did,
something like
you did
that.
well.
So
Impressive.
we cut it down a fair bit.
Yeah, done well.
I was impressed.
Yeah, I'm very impressed. That's awesome. No, done well. And so you're both doing uni together?
Yes.
So, and like, so he's met at...
We met at uni.
I met at uni. That's
Yes.
cute.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, I did think she was a bit weird when I first met her.
Oi.
Coming from the one who had pet goats. Like, why does your house smell like goat shit? It's like, what? That is the weirdest
For reference,
thing.
everyone, Brando's bathroom smells like goat shit.
It does not. That's the floor leveler, and I don't know how you got goat shit
No,
out of
it's
that.
actually just his shit. It smells like goat shit.
It's like we said before. Tell me you're a weirdo without telling me you're a weirdo?
I'm not a weirdo.
Like, you could have said any other kind of shit, but you went with goat
But
shit.
it smells
so
like goat.
specific.
But it does. It smells exactly like goat shit.
Oh,
No, but yes, we're both doing vet at Charles Sturt. So
nice.
we met first year out the pub pretty much. I feel like was the first proper interaction we had on the dance floor probably.
I got asked, I'm not sure if Lucy's weird or what was it?
I'm not sure if she's fun crazy or just fucking crazy.
And I was
I
like,
think
I
a little
like
bit
this
from
girl.
column A, a little bit from column B, I think.
Bit of both. Depends what time of day you catch me on.
Oh, that's
right.
like, it sounds like a cute little love story, actually. Like I mean, it is 2026, so you can do whatever you want. But I mean, if it was if she was a bloke, well, either
be a
one
little
of you,
Mickey.
it'd be a cute
I
little
think so.
side quest story.
What do you mean? She's my main hoe.
Yeah, exactly.
She's not a side quest.
The lesbian lovers over here. Watch out.
Yeah.
For reference, guys, we're not gay.
We're not gay.
Just to
Clearing
clarify.
that up.
Yeah.
That was a joke.
Elliot, on the other hand, that's still in question.
Yeah.
Very much
well,
so.
well, I know he's pretty. Is it gay if it's like it's a female dog? Like that's straight. That's straight, isn't it?
I did kiss Andy last night on the
He,
cheek
he touched me on the bum last night.
with no
which was
clothes on.
weird.
And you enjoyed it.
With
Yeah.
no clothes on.
He loved it.
Yeah.
He had a stiffy.
That is so concerning.
But yeah, no, it's exciting, guys. Thanks for coming down. You came like way too far, like past your destination, but we appreciate
alright.
you coming down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A road trip.
A little bit of a road trip, something to do.
Side quests. I've got to earn my paycheck a little bit sometimes.
Yeah.
Been slacking off lately.
yeah.
How did you feel on the way here, girls?
Do you think
Coming
we're
down
going to get murdered
Yeah.
coming down that
Yeah.
driveway?
Yeah.
It was a bit sketchy.
Yeah.
We pulled in and I'm like, well, the pin's here. Where the fuck are we? We're at this bloody nature reserve. And I'm like, and he's just like, keep driving. Just keep driving. It's all my driveway. He really is from Out of the Sticks, guys.
Yeah,
Like-
it's not a joke. I don't live like in a concrete cowboy situation. And
No,
like,
no, no. Like,
No, no.
it's in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, like shit in a bucket out of the sticks.
When we saw the chimney of the house, we're like, oh my gosh, there's proof of life.
Yeah, but just because there's someone in the house doesn't make them like not insane. Like I always felt like
Yeah, case in point over here.
yeah, well I know. Well, when I first moved out here, Mum said, are you scared out there? I was like, Mum, if someone comes across a bloke living by himself with a blue healer, I'm pretty sure they're going to be scared of me. They're going to be like, what kind of a psycho lives here?
No,
by
Mum,
himself?"
I've got my big boy pants on. What do you mean?
yeah.
I can live by myself.
Yeah. Well, that's right. I had two coppers come out here today doing the gun check, like checking my guns.
Oh,
Like, just
really?
doing the-
How'd you go?
Oh, yeah, fine. They were great dudes. Fantastic guys. And they come in here and said, yeah, it's a bit of a drive. I said, yeah, can you imagine trying to get a girl out here? Like, I think,
Oh,
like,
just come
I'm
see me at 2
way more
a.m.
scared of them than they are of me by the time, like, but when they get here, I'm like, you're a psycho. Like,
You've
why
just driven
did
down
you
this
keep
dirt
driving?
road for 20 minutes. Like,
Yeah.
how desperate are you?
Like, I feel like if they turn around before they get here, like, yeah, she's a keeper.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's switched on.
Nah, fuck this.
She's not getting killed in a horror movie.
Oh, God.
Oh, shivers. But no, it's good. And you, man, what have you been doing?
Sleeping most of the day, bro. It's hard
What a
work.
slacker.
I noticed I messaged you at like 9 a.m. saying I've got
Yeah.
the smoker on, come for lunch,
Yeah.
and then didn't hear from you till
It's
like
about
4.
1:30. Like, what's going on? I'm like, oh, I'm just getting my friend sorted. She's going to go into... Yeah, no, I'd been asleep.
I figured that.
Yeah.
It's been a big week.
I did get up at like 8 or 9, put my high vis on and hop back into bed. So does that count?
No. No, it doesn't. What? How
Big
many?
weekend.
How many jars of peanut butter have you gone through this week?
Just 2.
Storm's been hungry. You can put her on the ground. You don't have to keep nursing her. She's got the fox dog on her lap.
Well, she's going to feed the puppies, bro. So someone's got to feed her, right?
Yeah, well, that's...
Storm. Yeah.
It's such a cute dog, though.
It is a cute little dog.
What-
It is.
We'll
It
have to
is
get
a freaking half breed of something.
We'll
What
get
do
a,
you reckon?
we'll get a
It's a
photo of her.
monthly
We'll chuck a photo on the
something.
socials.
Yeah, guys, I'm going to put up a quiz on the poll, and you guys are going to guess what half breed kind of dog this is.
We don't actually know.
We don't actually know ourselves.
We don't know. So majority wins.
I feel like
If
whoever,
you think it's a German Shepherd, it's a German Shepherd.
Yeah, let's do it. The majority wins. And what do they win?
Carton.
Can't what? We can't do better beer.
4X.
Better, but no, no one will
You
go.
love
No
4X,
one will
mate.
enter the competition.
You love it.
Thank
Don't.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Everyone up here has been trying to convince me that Forex is best sort of beer.
No, who?
it's not.
Who? What about
All the kids that go up north.
Oh, big.
Oh, well, yeah, all the kids from Sydney that go up to friggin' Brisbane. Hey, I'm a ringer.
Yeah.
Another thing you ring is your fucking phone.
What about a bottle of your fancy?
Yeah, winner gets some of the what? The fucking...
Yeah, actually, yeah. Athel Brews, me special. I thought you get.
tell
you'll
us
get.
Tell us about your side quest.
Yeah.
So,
Bowl, mate.
Athel Brew. So I can't tell you how it's made.
Oh, really?
It's
Secret recipe.
but
okay. But
so
you're gonna.
It does involve
So it's
a
very
pair of
creamy.
very dirty coon undies.
Yeah. So you get the pair of gins knickers, you strain it through that to get the flavour. It's very creamy, bit sweet, and it will knock you on your bloody backside. It will-
What more could
yeah,
you
will
want?
knock
must
you
test it
right
out
off
one
your
night.
camp
Yeah.
chair. Yeah, it is good. So we'll have to, we'll give it a crack.
Does it taste nice?
Oh, it is beautiful. You tell your old man about it. It is the best drink that's ever been made. But
Okay.
you're not allowed. It's a secret.
I won't tell anyone.
The person that knows isn't allowed to tell anyone until they pass it down to the next person who knows. It's a very secret drink.
Right.
Yeah. So whoever wins the competition of the dog gets a bottle of Brando's famous Athel Brews,
Whole
who I
bottle.
stole from someone else.
A whole
You're
bottle.
making it right there.
Whole bottle, 1 litre bottle.
How long does it take to make?
About a week.
Oh.
Yeah, so you've already got your mixer. It's not like you already got your whiskey or your scotch or whatever. Like it's already done. Then it takes a week to make it creamy and frig around with it and strain it.
So it's like
for
a
cheese
secondary
snickers.
ferment or something, is it?
Yeah, sort of. Like it's a bit goes into it.
Oh,
You got to let it sit for a bit. If you let it sit for 2 weeks, it's perfect. Week is still fine.
Do you want it in a warm spot rather than out here? Or what?
No, that's perfect.
Perfect?
No, that's
Okay.
perfect.
Yeah,
Yep.
isn't it supposed to be warm to ferment?
No, not. Yes, usually, but not this. This is different.
this.
Special.
Yeah, you got to keep it cool. It's cool outside, so I've left it outside. But usually, if you do it during the summer, you leave it in the fridge.
Yeah, right.
Right.
Yeah.
What do you drink it with? Just like on the
Straight
rocks?
on the
Yeah.
rocks, just upper, just send it, just
Full
raw.
send.
Yeah. Oh, it's full
Unreal.
send. Yeah, it's good. But so anyway, the conspiracy today, guys. The
Yes.
beef industry. And we've got our mate over here who does not believe in one. You don't believe in any conspiracy
So,
theories?
yeah.
Nah, got better things to do. than that.
Louisa is going to be our voice of reason
Voice
or
of
no
reason.
reason.
Voice
Nah,
and
Louisa,
yeah.
who believed in Santa Claus till age 14.
Yeah.
This is true. This is very true.
So she's easily brainwashed, basically.
Still think birds drop babies off.
Yeah, she's sweet and innocent like that.
Yeah.
Wish upon a
What are you
star
doing,
and one
Doris?
drops off.
Is this how I find out? Age of 20?
Oh, shit. Yeah. So no conspiracy theories. That's like everyone believes in one. Like it's a pretty strong stance. to
Okay,
believe
what
in
about just
none.
like a far-fetched thing that you could think could be real?
What, like Santa Claus?
Yeah.
The tooth fairy?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, I know the tooth fairy is real because I used to get money from it.
Yeah, this
No,
is true.
I actually used to get like jewelry from it.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
I
we
used
didn't
to
all grow up in
write-
the fucking hills.
Not only did she grow up as a wig, she grew up as a rich.
Yeah, her last tooth, she got like keys for a Land Cruiser.
Yeah, that's about the same time as my tooth fell. My last tooth fell out too.
Oh shit! But yeah. So, well, I was supposed to do so much more research. I did fuck all. But
Oh, well, I've got some stuff, but I was really hoping you boys would carry today.
no, but it is. So the conspiracy is so beef. There is so much on this. Beef for cattle, the whole lot that the industry is being targeted.
Yeah.
One of the reasons why it's being
Cattle
targeted.
beef, not like sheep beef.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, cattle beef. Well, there's a massive push to get rid of cattle farming.
Yeah,
for
and
beef.
one of the reasons they say is cattle farming all over the world is one of the big things that props up agriculture wherever they are in the world.
Yes.
So cattle farming props up in North America, Australia, in friggin' wherever else they do it, Africa. The main farming is cattle farming.
Yep.
And so it props up like all other agriculture. And so that's an idea behind why they think they're trying to get rid of it. And they're using excuses like the methane, right? It's
Yeah.
bad for the environment.
I've got some good stats on this.
Well, have you seen what the Netherlands are doing? And this
Yeah.
is so the 3-NPO, NOP, which is neurooxy, whatever it is. It's a 15-letter word.
Too big for his brain.
It's, yeah, I can't even spell my own name.
That's why he shortened it.
Yeah,
Still don't have your pen license yet.
Yeah, no. So they give this chemical to the cows, and mind you, you have to wear a breathing apparatus and you've got to wear the full gear because if it touches your skin, it gives you mad skin irritation. It's terrible for you, and like if you inhale it, it's fucking terrible for you.
Nasty shit, eh?
Whereas we feed this to the cows, so it stops the methane production, which it does. So what it does, it gets into their first stomach, into the
Rumen.
rumen. Thank you very much, vet. Vet science.
You know all that biology now.
Yeah. Gets into the rumen, and attacks the last stage, attacks an enzyme which is responsible for the final stage of producing methane.
Doesn't that occur? I don't know. I'm not a vet student, but doesn't that occur as a result of digestion, which is
So
where the
methane is
animal gets its nutrients and stuff from?
methane is a byproduct of digestion, so they lose it during digestion from their
Sales,
gross
right.
digestion.
Yeah.
But it happens, it's microbial fermentation. So your cattle's rumen is SCOBY, so like use what do you call it? Kombucha.
Like a
That's a
kombucha.
SCOBY. So it's bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. So it's a symbiotic relationship, and basically that digests your carbohydrates and proteins, and turns that into amino acids, and those amino acids get turned into microbial protein, which then, because cattle, like your ruminant digestives, are the only system that can actually produce protein from non-protein sources. So it can break down plants and cellulose. That's why they can eat grass and we can't. because we don't do microbial fermentation. And methane is a byproduct of that. And that's why you get acidosis, because like it'll get too acidic and they'll bloat up because they've produced too much propionate and methane, and then you've got to stab their stomach and release all that gas. But they've obviously farted out as a byproduct. But the methane they're eating is conversion of carbohydrates and proteins that are in the grass that are in the natural carbon cycle. So they're actually not producing any more carbon that it's already in the ground because your plants are carbon fixers. And so it's a natural cycle, and they've gone on about how they're producing more carbon and CO2 emissions and all that kind of stuff because methane then goes into carbon dioxide, but it's got nothing to do with it. It's a natural cycle.
Yes, and what pisses me off about all this carbon producing or whatever, Australia is already well ahead of our net zero.
Yeah.
Because they're saying, okay, we produce X amount of carbon. They're not looking at how much carbon we get removed from our plants, our trees. So just counting trees alone, we like it's 1.5 times more than what we need to cover all the carbon we produce. Then you've got mangroves, which suck in like 2 or 3 times more carbon than a tree will.
Yep.
All your plants, all your veggies, all the rest of the shit. So we are more than covered with all this bullshit, right? Plus, like you said, the cows aren't making new carbon.
No.
They're getting it from in the ground, putting it back into the air. It's coming back around into the ground, and it's just a full cycle.
Well, CO2 is essential for photosynthesis.
100%
I don't get why we're so scared of it.
Yep.
It is essential for our existence of life. Carbon, everything that is life exists with carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen.
Yep.
Okay, and then we're so scared of this carbon dioxide, that's, oh no, it's killing the bloody ozone layer. It's carbon. Like, you can't make much more of it. And if you really want to go look into the stats that I looked up today, because I knew a little bit about it, but I just wanted to confirm. And you can literally look this up on Google. Like, this isn't something they hide. This is full stop. So our atmosphere right now is 0.04% carbon. Okay, out of all that 100%, 0.4% of that's carbon. So not much of it. Not much, right? And then of that, you zoom that 0.04% out, 4% is man-made. 4%.
Wow.
All that's 4%. Okay, out of that whole 100% of all that carbon floating around here, 4% we produce it. And then do you know how much cattle produce?
How much?
Out of that 4%? And you zoom that back out, another 100%, 2%
Yeah, wow.
is produced by, 3.7 actually.
3.7.
3.7% of the 4% of the 0.04% in the atmosphere. So it's a grain of sand. It is a grain of sand getting swept off the harbour bridge.
Yeah, wow.
That's you could kill all the cattle today and it would do absolutely fuck all.
Yep.
Because you know what? One of those spaceships go up into the sky and they produce about 30 times more than any bloody cattle industry, and volcano goes off, there's all the CO2.
Yep.
Yep. Everything we did just got set back 20 years.
Yep.
It's pointless.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. And so, and it's complete bullshit why they're chasing this. It's all for pushing their climate change bullshit, which someone is making a fucking fortune out of.
Yeah.
Like all this emissions crap from cars, someone is making a fortune out of putting all these emission standards on cars and selling DPF systems and AdBlue systems and selling AdBlue. Someone's making a fortune out of this.
Mm-hmm.
It is ridiculous.
Yeah. And then Bill Gates is going to make a fortune out of all his artificial meat because he's pushing it.
So that's the other thing. They're pushing all this artificial meat, which it cannot be good for you.
No.
Do you know how they make the artificial meat?
I heard it was made out of gay frogs.
Gay frogs make more gay frogs.
Yes.
So they get cancer cells. So the dumbed down version is they get cancer cells, like they get a big cancer cell and you want to make some duck, right? They put the cancer cell next to some duck meat and the cancer cell goes in, replaces all the duck cells and then, because cancer is copies of cells, right?
Yeah.
So it reproduces it and copies all of it until you get this big lump of artificial duck essentially built from a cancer cell. Is the dumbed down version of how they're making.
But you know what is so ironic? For them to make artificial meat, they have to go get stem cells, stem cells are like undifferentiated, unspecialized cells, which only occur in fetuses or your bone marrow. And they have to go get stem cells from unborn calves in mothers' wombs, like in your cow's wombs, before they're born, and kill the calf to get these stem cells to then grow this artificial meat.
So where's PETA right now? So when they're doing all this, so PETA get the shits when we're doing our horse events, and they're getting the shits when we're cutting them up for meat
and doing our mulesing and all that kind of stuff.
Are they attacking? Are they going for all this stem cell research? Like, is there a PETA program stopping these people from killing the unborn calves?
No idea. They should be.
Is it a calf or is it not a calf?
Exactly. That's the argument. I did talk about this on the way down here with Louisa. It was
Did you
iffy
know-
topic.
We've had a
If-
we've had a
if-
few dates.
So, if you're looking at like, is it a calf or isn't it a calf, for instance?
Yeah.
Getting off topic as I usually do. The biggest killer last year. So the biggest thing in the world that killed most people was like 75 million people. This one thing killed, and it was abortion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A
75
third-
million people.
A third of my generation, Gen Z,
Yeah.
is already dead
That's mental.
from abortion.
Yeah.
Never even lived.
That's mental.
Yeah.
So there was. I love.
And you
those-
don't wonder why the white society's dying. It's because we don't want to breed anymore.
Yeah, yeah, and that's another, and we can just keep going with these conspiracies. That's another thing too, is they're pushing for this, like the abortion. It's like they're pushing for people to be childless.
Yeah.
It's a real anyway. We're getting off the topic of beef right now.
Very
about
much
the
off the topic of beef.
But the thing is, it all leads into each other. Like
Yeah.
you go look at Bill Gates, what he's doing. Like he was in charge of the big the mosquito factory that just got shut down.
Yeah, in Queen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he had the biggest mosquito producer in the US, and it produced something like 90 million mosquitoes a week. And I was looking at one of the research, and it was like a big news report on it. And it was a couple of years. It was like 2-3 years ago. They shut it down, but they wanted to release sterile mosquitoes for dengue fever in Queensland when there has never been a case of dengue fever in Queensland.
Yep.
And they're like, oh, we just don't have the right things for licenses. It's got nothing to do with the technology. The technology's fine. It's just because we need another license because there might be some ecological and environmental effects. Like, you're putting out a cure for disease that doesn't fucking exist in a place.
Yeah,
What are you trying to do there?
yeah, 100%. It's complete load of shit.
It's like, we can't be that dumb. We can't be that dumb to let that happen.
But you look, so you Google now any conspiracy. So when I was trying to look up information on this beef conspiracy, I looked up beef conspiracy. I just wanted to see what's coming up.
Yeah.
You know what the conspiracy is?
What?
Farmers are putting too much fertilizer into the ground, causing algae and causing the destruction of the
Oh, algae blooms,
so causing the destruction of the natural environment.
waterways and that kind of stuff, yeah.
Then I was like, okay, and it was all attacking farmers. So the next one was farmers in the Amazon. All these trees getting pushed over because farmers want more land and they want it for beef, and we need to get rid of the beef industry because beef farmers are the worst farmers. And I'm reading this thing going, there is not one page here
Nah.
defending for farmers or anything at all. It's
It's
all against
So
we need to stop
ironic
farming.
because
Like, it's bullshit.
farmers get told what to grow, how to grow it, and then get in trouble because they're putting on the fertilizers that they told them how to grow it.
Yeah.
No, I told you to put this fertilizer, you put it on, actually, but then when we're going to go turn around and paint you the villain because you use this fertilizer.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And
They,
it's just
they
like,
didn't go and mix
you're
it up.
destroying
they
the
didn't
way
go
of
and
life.
Get the chemicals and make, like, they didn't go and, like,
No.
produce and make that chemical. They didn't make
Go attack the people that are making it and making it poisoning and killing the fish in the pond.
That's it. They didn't make glyphosate.
No.
They just used it because they were told this is the go. This is what you do. They came and they said, we got a problem. We got too many weeds. Okay, put this on it and it'll be fine. And it was
But
fine
it's
to a point.
non-residual, we know that.
Because
Oh, yeah,
all
it's not
farmers are
residual,
just
yeah.
looking for a more efficient way and
Yeah.
make more profit because it's a struggle.
That's
Being
it.
a farmer is a struggle. And like, oh, here's this brand new lovely fertilizer. You're going to put it on. It's going to kill all the weeds, and your profit's going to increase by 10%.
Yeah.
And what farmer's going to say no to that?
Yeah, and that's right. And we promise that glyphosate isn't residual and that it definitely won't cause glucose intolerance.
Yeah.
Heaps of different cancers, yeah.
And
Yeah.
because so they went, okay, and this is proven. You can actually go look this up and find it. We might even be able to find the links and post it on. But so they found out that the main ingredient in glyphosate attaches itself to a protein in the body, and that protein is responsible for identifying wheat products.
Mm.
And so once you get that in your system, too much glyphosate, then it covers that protein so that, and this is an actual fact, this isn't a conspiracy, this is actual fact.
Yeah.
This is what they have figured out. That's how the glucose intolerances are found out. So when you have
Because you
eat
can't
bread,
recognize the weight.
it goes in, your body goes, what the fuck is that? Get it out. I don't know
Yeah.
what it is. And so where the conspiracy comes in is, and really this isn't conspiracy either, because
It's not.
it's
Yeah.
every step along the way they've said, yes, this is true, yes, this is true, but then you throw it all in one big hump and they say, no, it's conspiracy. So the other part of it, which is, again, true and proven in fact, is that bread, so you can get bread, pull it out, and you can still get glyphosate out of your bread.
Yeah.
You can still, there's trace of glyphosate in your bread.
So that would be minor bits of residual left. But I'm also fairly certain that glyphosate is not only used to kill things. In certain parts of the world, it's used to desiccate the wheat when it's too wet.
Yeah,
before
okay.
prior to harvesting.
No,
So
yeah, it's used to
will
dry it
dry
out.
Yeah.
They'll put it on because they would always they'd lose crops and that kind of thing because it'd rain beforehand. Oh fuck, okay. And then they've gone and put this massive toxic chemical over it that's supposed to kill everything to dry the weed out, and then you go put it in a bloody storage unit. Be like, yeah, you can eat it right after I've just sprayed massive. It's like with your cattle, you're not allowed to sell your cattle because you've got a withholding period because you put a vaccine in it. It's like it should be no different for your wheat. You can't just put bloody chemicals over it and then sell it 2 weeks later.
Yeah.
That's it. And that's the thing. So you got all this, but then you bundle it all together. It's conspiracy. But if you pluck each thing out of it,
Yeah.
each thing they say, yeah, no, that's true. It's like, well, hang on, it's all true. It's not a conspiracy. Like, you've gave us this, and it caused this. That's the facts.
Yeah.
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 You've got to wonder why Monsanto, pun intended, liquidated and sold themselves to their largest competitor, which was Bayer at the time.
Yeah.
Monsanto's just ceased to exist. Round about
And
the
they were
same time,
massive.
people were developing class actions and being able to prove
Well,
it.
because they had, I remember doing it for ag, and they sued something like 450 farmers. Because, well, it's a monopoly.
Yeah.
Because farmers, like you look at GM cotton, for example, like BT cotton, okay, 95% of the cotton grown in Australia is BT cotton, okay, and it's been a massive improvement, obviously, for the cotton industry because it's increased yields. It's like completely, they only have to spray 3 times a year or something like that rather than like 15. And like, it's been a massive thing, but it's a massive monopoly because farmers every year have to go buy new seeds from the exact same company, and if they don't, they get a lawsuit against them.
Yeah.
And it's like there's no, we can save some of the seed from this year for next year and that kind of stuff. No. And then that company every year can keep slowly upping the price and upping the price and upping the price because only one company has the patent for it. And they go, but you know what's really funny about the patents? What they have patented is the gene that naturally occurs in the environment. So it's not like putting that gene in this organism and then pushing it together and selling it.
Yep.
So for BT cotton, for example, it's Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a naturally occurring bacteria in the soil, which is resistant to the grub, the mole, the worm that eats the cotton through, whatever. So they patent this tiny little bit of DNA that is in that bacteria, which is naturally occurring, that can be anywhere, and that's what they've painted. That's that little gene, because they found out what it does. It produces a chemical that the worm kills.
But they didn't create it, though, did they?
No, they didn't create it.
Oh, great.
They've literally, so basically what they've done is they've gone and looked at that piece of grass. Okay, that piece of DNA makes the grass green. I'm going to put it in a carrot. I made a green carrot. No one else can make a green carrot now. It's because I found the thing that made it green.
It's like a toddler walking into like the kitchen, picking up his mum's phone, going, "That's mine."
Yeah. And they make a fortune off it.
They would.
Crazy.
And is it true that most of that GM stuff is not fertile for a second and subsequent generations? Like,
No, it is. It is. It's just because you're not allowed to use the seeds from the next generation because it's not properly produced and not produced by the company.
yeah, right.
And then you can have some cross-contamination, like contamination between like your wild and because you have to have like what's it called, like a weed crop or whatever it is. So with your cotton farming, you have to have it's something like depends on what kind of crop you use, but it's like 2% has to be non-GM cotton or has to be like a different plant for the actual like grub to eat, so it reduces resistance. So then you can have some like cross-contamination and pollination between that. So sometimes your seeds obviously won't all be resistant, but it's mainly just so farmers keep going back and they have to go back and buy it.
But isn't that a bit scary? You've narrowed that genetic diversity.
Yeah.
Like it's so
Exactly.
narrow. So it's one thing. There's going to be one fly, one grub, one fungus, something that's just going to come along and not only wipe out
Exactly.
one crop, but all the cotton.
95%.
95%.
It's pretty sure it's more than that.
Then
That's
we're
what we
fucked.
wrote in our ag exam. 95% is GM cotton in Australia. It's insane. And then it completely reduces biodiversity. And so you're going to have one selection pressure come along and then poof, all gone. Same with what happened with the bananas. All the bananas went away. Going to be completely reliant.
So tell me about the cattle, right? So we were in the stomach, second stomach, about not producing the methane or whatever, but doesn't that make them not be able to process the food effectively?
The methane.
No, the thing that's being injected to stop the methane.
It would have to be. I don't know the science behind that.
Like if they're not digesting properly, it means they're not.
But yeah, if they're not producing methane, which is a byproduct of their natural digestion. It can't be good for them.
So if they're not digesting properly, presumably your yield's going to lower, isn't it?
Yeah.
You
Surely.
think so? And so if you look up why it's used, or if you look up its
I look nothing up. Research.
if you look up why it's used in beef, it will say and is it toxic? So no, it's not toxic. It's good. It's safe. It's this. It's that. It's whatever. But if you do a separate Google search on it and and you don't ask if it's toxic. If you ask if it's toxic, it'll say no. But if you ask for what's the
Side effects.
it will say yep, toxic to humans. It's causes rashes.
Yeah.
Things in like I forget what it was like things inside like internally. So you have to wear breathing apparatuses, gloves, full sperm suit. When you handle it, so all these farmers in the Netherlands have to handle it with such care, put it in, and then we're supposed to eat what is eating it.
Yeah.
Like how much of what you eat goes into your system, right?
Yeah.
Shitloads.
Your microbiome is like a trace of everything of you.
Yeah. So that's
Like it reflects on your skin, it reflects on your eyes.
Yeah. So you eat this shit. Or like the cows eat this shit, and then you're eating the cow. There's got to be that going into you.
Yeah. That's
Like,
a good point.
and it's saying, there's no known side effects. It's like because it's just been introduced into beef.
Well, that's the big thing with the genetic modification stuff and that kind of thing. They think it's all well and truly, but it's only been for the last 10 years. We have no long-term studies of the health
Asbestos
side
had no
effects.
side effects.
Well,
Asbestos was
when
safe.
heroin came out, they gave it to children for colds.
Yeah.
It's not addictive. When endone came out, it was an addictive drug.
Mm.
It was labelled as a non-addictive painkiller. Look at it now.
Yeah.
Oxycodone, non-addictive.
Yep.
You just
Yep.
you just have to wait and see. Like these just things, people jump on the bandwagon a little too fast.
Yep. Well, even look at when we were doing fiberglass in TAFE and we were doing carbon fiber, and it was pretty new at the time. That's how fucking old I am. And
He's very old, guys.
and it said, and they were saying, yep, no, carbon fiber, it's super safe, whatever. And I'm looking at that going, that looks like fiberglass. And you tell us don't inhale it because it'll get stuck in our lungs and kill us. That looks like fiberglass. It's black. So, like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
And yeah, it's different, but it's still fiber. You break it down, it's still just as fine fiber, just like fiberglass.
Yeah.
But no, it hasn't shown to hurt anyone.
Yet.
Yeah, because we're the first class to use it. You'll do research on us in 40 years and we'll be the case
We'll be
study.
We'll be the guinea pigs.
They're going to be doing autopsies on us.
It'll be the
90%
90%
Why
of
did he
us.
die? And it's like carbon fiber all through you.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like, yeah, let's find something else. Well, Teflon was safe.
Yeah, but it's full of
a-
PFAs, isn't it?
Yeah, it was safe as houses. That's why they put it in all like cooking shit.
Yeah. Plastic's good for you. Have you heard?
Plastic's good for you. We're actually so tomorrow I'm going to get tested, going for getting blood tests.
Yeah.
So there's this lady, what she does a blood test in front of you. So you're like her client for a while. It's not like a quick blood test, fuck off. She has all the gear and she actually analyzes it in front of you.
Yeah.
So she gets on the microscope and she's got the big telly and she's looking at what is in your blood and she'll point out this is that, this is that, this is that. So your microplastics, nanoparticles, vaccine. She can spot the vaccine in your blood.
Wow.
And what she was one of my mates put me onto her. He's a non-vaxxer, never ever been vaccinated, and even his kids been vaccinated, the whole thing.
Yeah.
He got done and she said, she goes, you got fuck all, but there's a bit of vaccine in your blood. And he goes, nah, not a chance. And that's when he started going, oh, no, you're full of shit. It's just and she goes, no. He goes, well, how? She goes, skin-to-skin contact. She goes, the vaccine's transferred skin-to-skin contact. So if you give someone a hug who's been vaccinated a few times,
Wow.
a little bit comes in.
Surely
He said, well,
not.
But
and he
the
owns a
vaccine breaks down into like B memory cells and stuff. So like there's no actual trace of that vaccine left in your body.
You
Is
sure?
there not?
No, your vaccine still stays in there, but your vaccine causes you to produce B and
Yeah.
T memory cells. So when you get the illness, then all those T and B memory cells come in your second immunity. So you respond to it a lot higher. That's the science behind it. But I wonder what the breakdown would be of the vaccine, how long it actually would stay in your bloodstream,
while.
because I wouldn't know. But that does happen because that is the whole science behind it. That's why we should take vaccines.
Next time I hug Andy, I'm going to make sure I've got clothes on.
Yeah. But it is a lot longer than what you think when you've looked at it. I can't remember. I'm not going to quote the day or the time because it's like it is it's years.
Well, like you'd think
It's a long
about the mRNA vaccines, that's DNA. That wouldn't break down, would it?
No, you couldn't imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the thing. That's what he was saying, and that's what he said to her. He's like, "Well, I own this company, and I would shake 100 hands a day." And she's like, "Well, there you go. 50% of those people are vaccinated, which statistically would be low. So you say 75 people's hands that you shake.
Yeah.
Every day.
Got a vaccine in you.
You've done that for the last 3 or 4 years, or since 6 years.
Yeah.
Shit, since COVID. She goes, there you go. There's your vaccine.
Mm.
He's just gone, well, fuck me.
Yeah.
But what she's also doing, the big reason we're going to her is she can show us, okay, this is how you get it out of your system. She goes, you can't fully get it out of your system because she goes, it's in the air. This shit is everywhere.
Yeah.
All this crap. She goes, but we can drastically get most of the vaccine out of you.
Yeah.
We can get most of the nanoparticles. We can get most of the plastics out of you. And I can show you what to do to then maintain that. So...
Well, it's even let's move away from the vaccines because sometimes, that's a hard pill for some people to swallow. But
The finger's really being poisoned over here.
But plastic.
Yeah.
How can people still think plastic's okay?
Oh.
I don't understand. And it's even it's so I haven't watched it, but there's a plastic detox on Netflix, whatever. I think it's only in America. I don't think it's in Australia Netflix. But it's they did a study on men's testicles and sperm, and it had microplastics in their sperm.
Yeah.
And did you know
Yep.
the fitness and what you're doing as a male before conception? This is recent studies. It's come out for the last 2-3 years. Changes what DNA is read and transcribed and translated in the baby. So if you're fit, healthy, exercising, that kind of stuff, that'll change what DNA is read and what's produced.
Wow.
And if you're unhealthy, drinking alcohol, all over the shop.
Yeah, wow. So, when you see fit people have fit babies, it's not because of who they are as a. Well, I suppose
It's what's beforehand.
Yeah, not from who they were born to be, but who they became themselves. Then, that's
Beforehand.
interesting.
Yeah, so it's okay, if you're married, ladies out there, make your husband get fit for 6 months beforehand if he wants a baby.
Yeah.
I'll give you a baby if you go get some muscles.
Yeah, you can't climb on me until you are fit, brother.
You can't climb on me until you're a tree to climb.
Get off. Yeah, that's it. I'll have a headache for the next 6 months until you are fit.
Yes. Exactly.
Oh,
But plastics.
wow.
How are people still not onto the
Oh,
plastics?
It's the worst thing.
Get off them. They're everywhere. Just chuck that fucking plastic cutting board away.
Yep.
Chuck the fucking plastic paper plates away. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Just get some porcelain.
Yep.
Get some stainless steel.
Yeah. Some copper.
And get a wood, and get a wood cutting board. It's not
Yes.
that hard.
Yes, 100%. Yep, I totally agree. That's good.
Agreed.
Yeah, bloody oath. But what do you reckon, girls? I reckon we can't keep this too long.
How long has it gone for?
40 minutes.
Oh, that's very fast.
That's
Gotta get
perfect.
perfect. You got classes
You gotta
or
get-
something, don't you?
You know, Clive got
Got
school
lectures tomorrow.
right.
Yeah, we're babies.
Nah, that's fine.
I had to get
It's
back
like-
funny. I got
okay,
school.
what is got school? It's not funny. I got school. But what about Louisa? Have we changed your mind on anything? Opened your mind to anything?
Adults.
Open my mind. Look, I don't know. Been enlightened. I don't think I've been
Transformed.
I don't think I've been transformed. I don't reckon I'm over to the dark side just yet. But I don't know.
That's what Albo calls us.
Because Santa Claus fitted Teflon skids to his sleigh.
Oh,
He's a big one. Face.
well, that's what happens. He lands on the roofs. It skids off. It rains, goes into the gutter,
Makes it
into the
fall,
tank. They drink it. That's how Teflon gets into their system.
He's responsible for distributing it.
Yeah, fuck Santa Claus.
Fuck Santa Claus. We don't want your presents.
I want a present this year. I'll take that back.
He wants to be on the good boy list.
Yeah. But I'll go feed my cat. That'll get me back on the good list.
Your cat's warming itself up next to the fire.
It is. That thing just came to my house. Just for everyone listening, I'm pretty sure I said this once, and I will say it again. I never wanted that cat. It came to my house. I never fed it. It stayed here. Then Elliot started feeding it, stopped eating my mice. Now it's a fat little bastard.
It's cute though.
Oh, fucking hell. Anyway.
Is that the one that got caught in the radiator?
Yeah. So this is a quick bombshell to drop us off before we finish the episode. So I had me workie, it was at home, and I was at work I can't remember how I got to work. Anyway, so one of the boys dropped me off. I've hopped into my ute and started, and I just heard this. And I was like, shit, that was weird. It sounded like something's in the fan. So I've stuck my head under, and the cat's dangling blood, pissing out of it, and just hanging.
So you took it to the vet? Nah.
I've gone, shit. So I've turned the car off, looked at it, and it was like dead. DED. And so I've like grabbed it to yeet it out of there. And as I've grabbed it, I could feel it breathing. I was like, oh, fuck. So I've like got in there
This cat won't bloody die on me.
and so I've pried it out and got it out of there and like held it and it was alive and like sort of had its head up and doing these ones.
With blood pissing out
had
of its
a
eyes and shit.
giant like split from the top of its head right down past through its chin, like under like it's
Pussycat.
like its face was cut in half. Like the fan obviously when it started coming out and smacked it straight across the face.
Jeez.
And I've gone, fuck. So I sat it down with some food, with some water next to the bowl, and I was like, there's not much else I can do for you. Went to work, came back, and the cat was gone. And I was like, this is really dangerous. This is like the Jason Bourne of cats. Like it's had a big head knock. It doesn't know what it is. Like it
Probably out there identifying as a dog these
the
days.
thing is, as far as it knows, it has no natural predators. So it could be just out there just causing mayhem. So anyway,
It's gone pig hunting.
4 days later, this cat comes back with a big festy scar on its face, one on its back, one on its bum. I was like, holy shit. Anyway, I just sort of let it go. Still didn't feed it. And it come good. It's just now here it is.
The cat went out and hunted some
Yeah,
pigs.
don't feed your cat.
And its name
And
is.
they were saying 9 lives.
Its name's a Katzen
Katzen.
or Katze,
Katzer.
which is German for cat.
I know German. I know one thing in German.
What?
Kann ich deine Nummer haben?
What does that mean?
Means, can I have your number?
I bet you learned that from people saying it to you.
Oh, yeah, that's exactly how I learnt it. No, I wish that's how I learnt it. I learnt it from my German friends so I could pick up some
For
boys.
some reason, they all just kept saying 9.
No, I have a 100% success rate. I only lost one person.
Us once.
Hey, I'm a one-hit wonder.
Not sure that's something to brag about.
Oh, that's not getting edited out either.
Oh, no.
Okay, on that bombshell. Elliot, I think that's a
right.
wrap, guys. What do you
Lucy,
reckon? All
always
done?
up.
He's happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, very happy.
Tooth?
Thanks for having
Thanks
me
very
on
much.
here.
Let's hope our other tooth grows back.
All right. Chin up, everyone. Have a good week, and we will see you when we get black. Oh.
Lovely.
Nice job.